tell us a little bit about your battle out there today?
Yeah, our race was a good run. We hung tight, you know. I passed Wyrick, and then I passed Nunley, but then he took a shortcut and passed him back. And we broke a CB joint about mile marker 220. And we were out in the big bumps. It just took a long time for someone to get to us. And track's really beat up. It's too much for this car. You know, I needed to get to, if I knew I could get to Mateus, it would have been good. And we just we broke it about 5 miles before San Mateus.
Well, I know you guys had a rough run, but we'll let you go and we'll see you at the 1,000.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.